This is my client website that is currently unavailable. You can see the error message. If you are the owner of this website, please contact your hosting provider to get this result. That means hosting company suspended this website because of virus attack. If I log into the hosting panel, here is an error message, malware detected for your websites. So here is the message that one of my website in this hosting is malware affected. This is why my website is suspended by hosting. So let's see how to fix this. I will not only fix this, I will recover this website and I will make it secure so that hacker can't hack this website again. For this, let's log into our hosting panel. Let's see what is the error. I'm gonna click to review malware detected for your website. I know this error because this is a common message to me as I am working for around 14 years as a web developer. So I have seen this message before. I'll strongly request you to read this whole message here. Hosting company found malware in our website, then they suspended this website. Now what to do? We have to clean this website first, then we will request hosting company to active this website. This is the procedure. So here we will find the detail how to fix this. If you read this whole message, you will understand everything. Here is the message. You can see that you can see a list of the infected file we have detected by clicking the view evidence. So if we click to view evidence, then we will find those files those are affected. Let's see and view evidence. I'll scroll to down. Here is the button view evidence. If I click to this button, then we will see our affected file. Let's see. This is the file that is malware affected. This function file is affected of all-in-one migration plugin. That is the file. So let's fix this. As we are unable to log into our website, let's try to log into our backend. Let's click to WordPress admin. The same error here. So our front end and back end are suspended. There is an option called site scanner in our dashboard. This is not free plan. This is a paid plan. So I'm not gonna buy this plan for now. Let's go back. Now I will log into WordPress files. Site tools. I'll go to file manager. Then find the file public_html. We know the virus affected file is in WP content folder, then plugin folder, then all-in-one WP migration. In this plugin, one of our files is malware affected. We can delete this plugin because this is not mandatory plugin for our website. We all know this plugin is a migration plugin. If we want to transfer or migrate any website from a hosting to another hosting or domain to another domain, then we use this plugin. So this is not frequently used plugin. I easily can delete this plugin. It will not affect my site at all. Let's delete. If, for example, Ninja Form, this is the file that is mandatory for our website. If a virus found this folder, then how we could fix this? I could go to Ninja Form WordPress plugin, then I download this plugin, then I delete this plugin and upload that new plugin. That means I replace this plugin to the new downloaded file. Like this, if malware affects some other plugin here, I would do the same. That means I replace this plugin with new files. That will not affect our website at all. Right now, I will request SiteGround to active our website. Then I will check again our website if there are any other folder affected by malware. Let's see. I'm gonna click this message again. Scroll to down. There is the option more. Then I can request scan there again. If I click to this request scan, then SiteGround will scan my website again, and when they found our website is clean, then they will active our website. If you read this message carefully, you will find this option. Scan your site again to confirm it is clean. Once you believe your website is clean, you can request a new scan by clicking on the request scan button. So this is the request scan button. I'm gonna click right now here. Scan request successfully submitted. I'll wait for a few minutes. In the meantime, I will try to refresh our website. Our website is working fine. It is under maintenance mode. This is the actual site. Now let's check our others menu. Yes, these are working. So our website is working and it's functional. Now let's see if there is malware in other files. Moreover, we will secure this website. To do that, I'm gonna log into the backend. First of all, I will install a malware scanner plugin. To do that, I'm gonna hover over to the plugins, then click to install plugins. Here you will find all our plugins. Here I'm gonna install a new plugin. I'm gonna click to add new plugin here. I'm gonna search WordPress. WordPress is one of the best malware scanner. So I'm going to install this plugin. Let's click to install now. Then click to active. I have to active this plugin with our license key. If you are the first time user of WordPress, then you have to click here to get license. You can use free version of WordPress. To do that, you just have to log into WordPress website. Then they will send you license key to your email. I have my license key, that's why I'm gonna click to install an existing license. Here I'm going to put my email and this is our license key. Then I'm gonna click to install license. As you can see, it's working. License is installed. Let's go to the dashboard. This is the WordPress dashboard. Here you will find WordPress menu. Under there you will find other submenu as well. Now we want WordPress to check our website if there is any malware. This is why I'm going to click to scan here. Then start new scan. We have to wait for a few minutes. It can take hours if your website is very weak. We didn't found any issue without this. Let's see what is this. If there was malware in our website, it would appear such a list. So we found the issue here. Let's see. We can click here details, then it will appear like this. This path is kept. This is our backup folder, so let's keep it as it is. I will scan it again, and in the meantime I will check this website using other malware scanner tool like security.net. I'll paste this website link here, then submit. Website is clear, so no malware found here. So the scanner didn't find malware again, and security says that our website is safe. So we can come to this conclusion that our website is clean now. Now we will make this website secure. To make this website secure, I will use another plugin. I'm going to hover over to the plugins, then going to click to the add new plugin. I'm going to search all-in-one WP security plugin. This is the plugin 1 million active user. So let's install now, then active. Once we install this plugin, then we will find this plugin here at the bottom. Let's click to dashboard. This is the security meter. Now it is in yellow stage. As much as will work and as much as will secure this website, it will up and it will be green here. Let's try one by one. If you scroll to down, you will find some major issue here. A login, lookup, file permission, basic firewall. Let's active basic firewall. This score is 15. If I enable this one, my score will be 15. Let's save changes. Let's back to the dashboard again. It's up a bit. Now score is 45. Let's scroll down and click to file permission. This is important. Set recommended permission. Done. This score is 20. So before we had 45 and now we have 20. Now it is 65. Like this, if I click to login lookup, let's on. You can enable all basic option. This score is 20. Enable login lookup features. Maximum login attempt 3. Login retry time period. Let's make it 30 minutes. Maximum locked time length, let's make it 60. Maximum lockout time length 60. Display generic error message. instantly lock out inactive user, instantly locked out specific username. You will add here username that usually first time people try to log in, admin. If someone try to log in with the username admin, he will instantly locked. I'm here in ChatGPT and I will ask ChatGPT that which username people usually use to log in. Let's copy and paste all those here. This is admin, administrator, root, test, manager, admin1, admin123, webmaster, support, user, all these. Okay, now let's save changes. Let's back to the dashboard again. Now security strength is 85. Like this, I will work with all others menu. As I will work on this sub menu, then you will find a list here where I already work. Let's check one by one. Let's go to setting. First of all, let's click to htaccess file, restore, backup, everything is fine. Let's go to wp-config.php file. This is also fine. Delete plugin settings. This is fine. WordPress version. Let's as it is basic, let's open this, then save. We will get 5 point here. It will remove WordPress information from our website. Let's click to user security. I got here 15 point, here 5 point. Let's click here as it is basic. You can check all basic option. Login lookup, we already work here. Force logout, force user logout option. Let's enable force user logout at a times 120. That means 2 hours. Logged in user. Let's check if there is any logged in user. Refresh data. No user is logged in. Manual approval. Enable manual approval of new registration. Definitely we will use this. Then save changes. After that, let's click to the database security. We already got 10 point here. Generate new database table. It's not mandatory. Let's leave it. File security. We already work here. File protection. Delete readme. Open this. This will delete wp-config-sample.php file. It is a necessary file, as well as license is unnecessary file, readme is unnecessary file. This all unnecessary file will delete. Prevent hot linking. Let's open this so that other people can't use our image. Disable ability to edit PHP file. Yes, nobody can edit PHP file. Like this, we will let's click to host system log. Let's keep it like this. Copy protection. We can open this if I want to copy protect our content, like nobody can. Right button to click copy content from our website. Now let's keep it as it is. Frames. Enable iframe protection. Enable this to stop other site from displaying. Nobody can use our content as iframe. Let's click to firewall. Completely block access to. Sure, we'll do that. Disable WordPress RSS and atom feed. Okay, common protection for proxy comment posting. Comment posting. User security. Deny bad query string file. Enable advanced character string filter. REST API. Disallow authorized REST API request. This PHP rule. Let's click to htaccess rules. This is already working. Block access to debug.log. Disable index view. Let's leave it. After that, let's click to brute force. This is a common hacking method, usually hacker try. So I'll click enable rename login path feature. That means I can log into our WordPress website like mysite.com/wp-admin. I can rename this one as I want. Like if I want, I can make it wp MIRROR mirror, I can use this to log in. Let's keep it as it is because this is my client website. He might not comfortable with this. Spam protection, basic. Now after that, let's click to dashboard. You will find our strength is 220. Now we are secure. You will find a list of work you have done here. This is how we can secure our website. Beside this, I will change password of our hosting panel. I'll also change password from FTP. So this is how we can clean a website and make it secure. So this is how we can recover a hacked website and make it secure like this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Hope to see you in the next WPBravo tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.